print statements feature lets schools send account statements directly to parents. So I've come into engage fees, debtor management, print statement, and I'm selecting just 2 parents that I want to send statements to. And I'm clicking on preview because I want to check it before I send it out in case there are any errors that need to be fixed up. So here's the PDF version, and I can see the 2 parents here, the Beliskis, and then Mr. and Mrs. Beatty here. So that all looks correct on the screen. So once I've checked that, then all I need to do is select issue statements, select send emails. Schools can have these statement templates or email templates set up. So I've already created one, and now I can preview it on the screen, go yes, all of that looks correct. So once I'm happy with that, then all I need to do is click email, and that will automatically be sent out. So it will be emailed to the parent and also placed on the parent portal. And it's that simple and easy to do it.